and welcome to this CFARM tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to set up the heated tube, your ally against condensation and for added comfort. To begin, connect the heated tube to the dedicated port located at the back of your NEA device. As soon as the tube is connected, a tube icon will automatically appear on the home screen. By selecting this icon, you can adjust the heating intensity. Use the plus and minus buttons on the right side of the screen to choose the level that suits you. The higher the heating level, the more the icon color will shift toward red. Conversely, if you choose a lower setting, it will tend toward blue. Once the setting is adjusted, your equipment is ready for use. That's all for now. Feel free to watch our other videos. See you soon!